I'm so sad. I'm having such a bad day. My plants are all dead. I have nothing to eat, nothing to sell. But wait, what's that? It all changed when I found the Rural Navigator. Our program, Rural Navigator, has been built for individuals like Farmer Silo here, individuals who not only need help from the government, but are also affected by two core problems: information overload and lack of access. Vital resources were often buried in mazes of complex websites and confusing jargon that is nearly impossible for a person under stress to navigate. And second, not everyone has the time or ability to take a day off and travel to a regional office just to ask a question, hence the lack of access problem. Our program educates, informs, and assists individuals in need of support from the government's Rural Development Division.
Our project is a direct submission for the USDA AI Challenge. The core mission of the challenge was to leverage artificial intelligence to make the USDA's vast resources, particularly within the rural development, more accessible and understandable to the American public. Our chatbot directly addresses this by creating a user-friendly conversational interface that bridges the gap between citizen needs and complex government programs. The entire technical foundation of our chatbot intelligence is built upon a specific sponsor called MongoDB Atlas. We heavily utilize the MongoDB Atlas Vector Search API to power our solution. This platform was not just an add-on, it was a critical component that allowed us to solve the primary technical hurdles. By using Atlas Vector Search, we could move beyond simple keyword matching and implement a sophisticated semantic search. This enabled our chatbots to understand the intent and content of our users' natural language query, providing highly relevant and accurate program recommendation from the vast repository of the USDA information.
Alongside MongoDB, we utilized Gemini as our preferred LLM to provide a kind experience and enjoyable experience to the user with the bot. As you can see, it was very supportive and made sure to always ask questions at the end. For the back end, we used Python to scrape the USDA database and to update our MongoDB Atlas vectors to create collections. And finally, we used React, HTML, and CSS for our front end to provide an aesthetic UI experience for the user when speaking to the AI assistant Sprout.
Thank you so much for your time.